The Oklahoma City Air Logistics Complex is located at Tinker Air Force Base, which is also headquarters for the Air Force Sustainment Center. With approximately 28,000 military and civilian employees, the base is the largest single-site employer in the state. The installation has an annual payroll of $1.4 billion, a statewide economic impact of $3.4 billion, and creates an estimated 31,775 secondary jobs. More than 9,500 military, civilian, and contract professionals are assigned to the complex, which makes it the largest organization on base and one of the largest in the Air Force. The complex provides direct product and maintenance support for aircraft, aircraft commodities, engines, and software to locations around the world. Let's take a closer look at the dynamics of this 21st century aerospace maintenance enterprise. The 76th Aircraft Maintenance Group performs Program Depot Level Maintenance, or PDM for short, on Air Force and Navy aircraft. PDM is an inspection that encompasses repair, modification, overhaul, paint, and functional check flights. The group also provides depot-level support and expeditionary depot maintenance support for Air Force, Air Force Reserve, Air National Guard, Navy, and foreign military sales aircraft. The 76 AMXG has over 3,900 assigned personnel who perform more than 4 million maintenance hours, producing about 160 PDM aircraft and 35 non-PDM aircraft annually. The group is the primary PDM site for the KC-135, B-1, B-52, and E-3 aircraft. The KC-135 in its various configurations is a refueling workhorse, providing air refueling to bomber, fighter, and transport aircraft, as well as special mission platforms. The group also serves as the sole source of maintenance, repair, and overhaul for the B-1 and B-52 bombers. The B-1 and B-52 are the backbone of America's long-range strike force, providing rapid delivery of precision-guided weapons. The Aircraft Maintenance Group is responsible for performing depot-level maintenance and modification on the Air Force's E-3 airborne warning and control system and the Navy's E-6 aircraft. These aircraft provide central communication for our nation's military and civilian leaders. Finally, the group is responsible for stripping old paint and applying new paint to all assigned PDM aircraft, as well as the C-130 and KC-10 aircraft. Despite their ages, these aircraft are essential to our nation's defense. Their longevity is directly attributed to the exceptional efforts of the personnel in the 76th Aircraft Maintenance Group. The 76th Commodities Maintenance Group provides flexible and responsive repair and manufacture of aerospace components and shoulders the critical responsibility of inspecting, repairing, and testing 3,500 end items and 400 different secondary structures for jet engines and aircraft annually. The group has over 1,960 assigned personnel and is the primary source of repair for the offensive avionics on the B-1 and B-2, and flight control avionics and flight indicator controls for the C-5, C-130, and F-15 aircraft. The 76 CMXG Oxygen Shop is the Air Force's sole organic depot repair facility for liquid oxygen converters and oxygen regulators. 22 unique test cells are used to support weapon systems, air-driven accessories, repairs, and overhaul. The group also accomplishes a wide array of composite and sheet metal repairs and organic manufacture of structural items to support those repairs, many of which can no longer be procured. The 76 CMXG Reverse Engineering and Critical Tooling REACT team solves real-world part supportability issues by using state-of-the-art reverse engineering tools and manufacturing technologies. The group is also the Air Force's sole source of test, repair, and overhaul for fuel accessories. Other areas of responsibility include the inspection and repair of constant speed drives, life support equipment, parachutes, and fuel cell bladders. The 76 Commodities Maintenance Group continues to evolve through investment in its people and equipment to provide critical support to legacy as well as future workload requirements. The 76 Propulsion Maintenance Group is the Air Force's single-source depot-level engine overhaul facility. It repairs, modifies, tests, and reclaims whole engines and engine components. It also provides intermediate-level maintenance for the TF-33 and the F-101 engines. The group provides a state-of-the-art repair center with advanced technology coating processes that restore and improve jet engine components. This skilled workforce of more than 1,800 employees sustains a war-ready supply of over 22,000 engines for the Air Force and Navy. Recent additions to the repair workloads include the high-performance engines for the F-22, the Joint Strike Fighter, and the extremely efficient F-117 engine, which powers the Air Force's primary cargo aircraft, the C-17. The 76 Propulsion Maintenance Group is the foremost engine repair, modification, and test organization in the Department of Defense. PMXG continues to posture itself for future workloads by acquiring new technology and test capabilities for fifth-generation engine requirements. This will ensure PMXG's capability increases to keep up with the warfighter's needs. The 76 Software Maintenance Group has 920 assigned engineers and support personnel. Its primary mission is to provide best value engineering solutions enabling global air power. The group performs this mission for the B-1, B-2, B-52, and E-3 aircraft, as well as for cruise missiles. The group has extensive expertise in these organic development of complete, turnkey automatic test system solutions for repair of avionic end items and jet engines at depot, field, and operational environments. The Pacer Comet 4 program is an excellent example. It's an organic state-of-the-art engine test system that can test multiple engine types and variants, reducing maintenance costs and increasing safety, reliability, expandability, and efficiency. The Universal Remote Control and Status System will provide centralized and universal means of remote control and monitoring for the purpose of aiding maintenance and troubleshooting of navigational aids and deployable air traffic control and landing systems over the DoD Information Network. These and other organic systems and software engineering programs managed by the Software Maintenance Group significantly enhance the Air Force's ability to meet its peace and wartime missions. The 76 Maintenance Support Group is essential to the ALC complex operations. Without MXSG, the complex does not produce or deliver its products for the warfighter. MXSG is composed of approximately 600 personnel with diverse skill sets ranging from mechanics to PhD chemists, with each skill being uniquely vital. MXSG oversees and maintains operation of the complex's 67 industrial facilities and over 10,000 pieces of industrial equipment essential to complex operations. The group's other support areas touch all aspects of the complex, including engineering, laboratory analysis, calibration, and tools and material vending solutions. In this fast-paced, ever-changing maintenance, repair, and overhaul environment, the Oklahoma City Air Logistics Complex is emerging as a well-trained, competent, and resilient workforce, which values cost-effectiveness, infrastructure upgrades, and the use of green technologies. This balanced approach to meeting the needs of the warfighter constitutes nothing less than a DoD national resource. The depot activation of the KC-46A tanker, the Space Fence, the F-135 Joint Strike Fighter engine, as well as the Global Hawk, Reaper, and Predator engine workloads at Tinker solidifies the complex's 21st century mission.